Oh my God! Si Tita Pilipina pala ikaw. Yan ang magandang regalo.
Wait lang. And I never thought I'd feel this way.
Oh!
And as far as I'm concerned,
Tingnan mo.
glad I got
Kahit nahirap siya, ha?
Kaya nga eh.
Oh! Clap,
that
clap,
you
clap.
believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try to feel the
Palakpak ka mamaya, sabi mo, yan ang team song namin ng Canal International.
And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. Uy, Tita Vilma Hongay. And that's what friends are for. Uy, nakakayak naman yun.
150 euros per passenger.
Ano siya, nakaka-relate ka po talaga dun sa mga
Hindi kaya ano
tumulong
to, hindi
kaibigan.
kaya ito
Yung nandyan
scam.
po lagi kapag magka-problema ka po. May mga pagdadaanan ka po. Nandyan po sila. Yan po talaga yung mga tunay na kaibigan.
Grabe.
Tita Dad, shoutout po.
Ikaw,
Ay,
meron
palang
bang
team
may
song
tinig
mo
sa'yo?
po. Uy, Tito.
Okay,
Tito Vilma siya. Alitin ka po. Hindi, nawala ko dun sa alat. Tita Vilma, shoutout po. Salamat po. Well, you came all over me. And now there's so much more I see. And so by the way I thank you. And then for the times when we're apart, well then close your eyes and know these words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember,
ang laki naman
nakiyak
po
ko
yan
talaga yung
dito.
kanta na to.
Grabe, mahal-mahal ko.
Keep smiling,
Nakakaya naman kayo
keep
si Vilma.
shining,